11 tonight, fireworks marking a brand new era on the Las Vegas Strip. After years of waiting and a lot of hard work, Resorts World is finally open for business. People started walking into that property just minutes ago, and 13 Action News reporter Jeremy Chen is there in the middle of all of that excitement. And Jeremy, what a night.
That's right, Todd. And as you mentioned about those people walking in, just take a look at the excitement over here. People just cheering. People basically from the general public walking into Resorts World for the very first time. You can hear the cheers. You can hear their hands are waving and whatnot. This is a very exciting time for so many people here, finally getting a chance to be on this property that has so many people waiting in anticipation. Again, those cheers and yells, positive yells, yells of anticipation. You can just see right over there the excitement on all of these people's faces, and they're going to be in for a treat as VIP guests have been here since 7 p.m. enjoying all the different amenities here, more than 40 food and beverage options. So much to do really here on this property, but again, these people right here stepping foot on the property for the very first time. An absolutely exciting time for the Las Vegas Strip. Todd?
Yeah, Jeremy, quite a moment here for Las Vegas as we're looking at this live unfolding right now. I know you had a chance to walk around there a little bit. Just real quick for us, give us your impression of that property.
So let me tell you this, the property is quite impressive and extremely expansive. They have this very high-end shopping area called the District with high-end shops and restaurants. Everyone was basically raving about the food and drinks they had over there. We actually got to sample some of the food ourselves, which was great. Didn't do the drinks, of course. We're on the job right now. Only had water, but the food, I can tell you from our perspective, was pretty fantastic.
Yeah, and perhaps after this broadcast, Jeremy, that will change for you. A perfect job there bringing us these live images right now as people walking into Resorts World for the first time. Quite a moment for Las Vegas. Now, before that, you had some special guests. They were allowed inside the property before the 11 o'clock opening. Also, that includes our very own Chief Investigator Darcy Spears. She was there. Now, she found some places in the food court were feeling the crunch here. One place ran out of food and beer, she's reporting. There was also a parking crunch, and some valet workers were scrambling right now to get everyone parked. A PR representative says that this really is all just a sign of a great turnout tonight. Now, this turnout is certainly years in the making. Our cameras were there as the official ribbon cutting took place.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, there you have it. The party there complete with some confetti, dancers, lots of excitement. You see Governor Steve Sisolak was there, as well as other dignitaries were there for that ribbon cutting as well tonight. That happened just around 7 o'clock. Now, the grand opening also has been a red carpet affair. You got celebrities like Steve Aoki, Paris Hilton, and also DJ Tiesto. They were all spotted there at Resorts World tonight. Many of them stopping to take some pictures with some excited fans. Properties now have been turning to cashless wagering options, and that certainly is no different at Resorts World. But now the idea is being brought to table games as well. Everything is done through an app. You select what you want to buy in for, then money is applied to your account, and the table takes over from there.
All of these chips have RFID technology embedded in them, and so when I make wagers on the bet spots, the antennas underneath know exactly how much is being bet. And so the days of supervisors writing down how much the buy-in is and what the average bet is estimated approximately, those are gone.
And also, so then when you cash out, you could get a voucher that you could use at slot machines if you'd like as well. All right, our coverage of Resorts World's grand opening continues right in this newscast. We're going to hear more from Jeremy Chen there live from inside the property. You could also find more coverage at ktnv.com. Well, twice